What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're here at Adrian's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a smoothie bowl. These are my ingredients right here. You can use any other types of fruit, just make sure they're frozen and add just, depending on how much fruit you use, you want to add, I'd say about a cup or less of milk, depending on the consistency you want. And I'm also going to use some here to top it off, Nature Valley Granola Protein, Oats and Honey. Yes, so I also have some berries and raspberries in the fridge. These are not frozen, you don't want these frozen. And these are not going to be blended in with the rest of the smoothie. But once I blend everything else and put on a bowl, I'm going to add granola and blueberries and raspberries on top to top it off, and that'll be the smoothie bowl. So like I said, I'm going to be using the Ninja. I'm going to go ahead and hook that up. And this is about the size of the cup that I'm going to be using. And this is the bowl I'm going to be using. So this is what I'm going to fill up. Right, here it is. So I opened the bag, and all it is inside is just little bags of already frozen fruit. So I'm probably going to use the whole package. And I'm going to dump it in there if it fits, if it's not too much. And then depending on how much it fills up, I'm going to kind of just guesstimate how much milk to put in, because how much milk you put in is going to determine the consistency of the liquid, and you don't want it to be too thin, too runny, or too thick. Alright, so I put it up here so y'all can see it. So I used the bag and filled it up, and it didn't go up that much. Just kind of take into account that once you blend all the fruit together, it's not going to be as much as it looks like, because it's all going to get blended together, so it's going to be a lot smaller than you think. So I decided to put all the berries and strawberries the blueberries and strawberries that I had frozen, I put them on top, and the milk, I kind of filled it up to where it looks like it's about halfway. And it might still need a little bit more, but we'll mix it up and see what it looks like at first. And you might have to push it up and move it around for the first couple of times, because if your fruit goes all the way to the top, the blades are not going to fit. Alright, so I blended it a little bit, and some of the berries didn't really fit, so I had to take them out. And then I'm going to put them back in now, and I'm going to push everything down. And because like I said, the goal of this is for it to be thick, it's going to be hard for it to blend. So you might have to start it and stop it a couple times and move everything around. Kind of try to get the stuff from the bottom to go up towards the blades. So that's going to be what you're going to have to try and do until everything blends properly. Alright guys, so we're going to disconnect the Ninja from the wall. And like I said, all you have to do is take a spoon or something, or try to shake it up, and keep moving all the stuff that hasn't blended properly from the bottom all the way to the top. So like every time you dig in, it's just gonna kind of sink down anyway. But now we're done with it, and we're gonna pour it into our bowl. Like that. But now we're gonna finish it by topping it off with the berries and the granola. So you can do it however you want. If you want to make it look nice, just pour granola down the middle, or whichever side you want, and then you add your berries. You can add it to either side. Put it all on one side. Put one of each on each side. What I'm gonna do is put the raspberries on one side. These are good. Alright, so now we're just gonna put blueberries on the other side. One of them fell on the floor. To however you want to put, however many you want to put. There you go. I mean, that's pretty much it. Got the smoothie blend at the bottom, the granola on the top, the rest of the berries. And that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys the pictures to show you how it turned out in a better quality. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. That'll be it. Please stay tuned for next video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below anything you like. And thank y'all so much for watching.